What's up guys, Fishing with Furby here. Today I'm going down the creek to do a little update video. Hey guys, what's up? I just caught my first fish of the day here. We got a nice little creek chub. Caught him on a little crappie lure. Let's get a release on this guy. Probably a slow motion release. Okay guys, we just caught our second fish of the day. Oops, he fell. Right here, as you can see. Another little nice creek chub here. Caught him back there in that backwater gap right there. Way back in the shade. Cast a little crappie jig back there. Let's get a slow motion release on this guy. Okay guys, that's going to conclude our episode of Fishing with Furby here today. We got 2 fish catches. I'm sorry I didn't show the actual fish catch. I'm still working on my GoPro coming. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. And remember, whatever you do, don't stop fishing.